The KOA 2K Mini car dash cam, also known as the Mini3, is a tiny yet powerful DVR video recorder designed to provide comprehensive, hands-free monitoring for your vehicle. Despite its ultra-compact size, this discreet dash cam is packed with advanced features like 2K QHD resolution, voice control, and a super capacitor, making it a reliable and secure choice for drivers who want peace of mind on the road. Key features and performance highlights. Ultra-compact and discreet design, the KOA Mini3 is incredibly small, measuring just 38.9mm wide by 46.2mm high by 36mm deep. This compact size allows it to be mounted discreetly behind your rearview mirror, making it virtually unnoticed from both inside and outside the vehicle. Its tiny form factor ensures it won't obstruct your view or draw unwanted attention. High-resolution 2K QHD video. Capture every detail of your journey with the dash cam's 2K QHD 1296p resolution. It records at a smooth 30 frames per second, ensuring clear footage of license plates, road signs, and other important details. The camera's imaging is further enhanced by WDR, wide dynamic range, and 3D RDNR, 3D noise reduction, which work together to produce clear and vivid video in both strong sunlight and dark, low-light conditions. Hands-free voice control. The voice-controlled version of the KOA Mini3 offers a safe and convenient way to operate the camera while driving. It supports for languages, English, Russian, Japanese, and French, allowing you to use simple spoken commands to take photos, lock video, and manage other settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Super capacitor for enhanced safety and durability. Unlike dash cams that use a lithium-ion battery, the KOA Mini3 is powered by a super capacitor. This technology is far more durable, with a longer product life, and is fire and explosion proof. It can withstand a much wider range of extreme temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius while operating and -30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius for storage, making it ideal for all climates. 24/7 parking surveillance. With the optional Type-C port hardwire kit, the dash cam can provide 24/7 parking surveillance. Its built-in G-sensor automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions and initiates recording, providing crucial evidence of any incidents that occur while your car is parked. You can receive notifications and view event footage through the KOA Auto app. Seamless Wi-Fi and app control. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the dash cam to the KOA Auto app on your iOS or Android device. This connection requires zero data and enables you to watch real-time footage, play back recorded videos, and download files directly to your phone. The app also facilitates continuous OTA, over-the-air, updates to fix bugs and ensure the software is always current. Automatic and continuous loop recording. The dash cam is designed for a set-it-and-forget-it experience. Once plugged into your car's power source, it begins recording automatically. The continuous loop recording feature ensures that when the micro SD card is full, the oldest non-emergency footage is overwritten, allowing for uninterrupted recording. Emergency recorded videos are automatically saved to a separate folder to prevent them from being overwritten. In summary, the KOA 2K Mini car dash cam is a top-tier choice for a discreet and reliable in-car video recorder. Its combination of high-resolution video, voice control, and a super capacitor for durability and safety sets it apart from many competitors. With seamless Wi-Fi connectivity and a robust 24/7 parking surveillance system, with optional hardwire kit, the KOA Mini3 provides a comprehensive and hands-free way to monitor your vehicle and protect yourself on the road. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart car tech reviews.